Very good morning, students. Today we are going to know very simple question in chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.4, question number 4. In this question, a milk container is in the shape of frustum. It is frustum. So they given measurements of the frustum. Upper part is open, down part is closed, lower part is closed. So upper part measurements given, upper part is circular part, that radius is given 20 centimeters, lower part radius is given 8 centimeters, height of the frustum is given 16 centimeters. So in this, we need to find volume of the frustum. Volume of the frustum. Formula V equals to 1 by 3 pi h into capital R square plus capital R into small r plus r square. We'll substitute the values and we'll get volume of the frustum or milk container. So I am substituting values in this formula. 1 by 3 pi h capital R square plus small r square plus capital R into small r. So 1 by 3 into pi value 3.14 into height of the frustum is given 16 and 20 square is 400 plus 8 square is 64 plus 20 into 8 is 160. And after simplifying, we'll get 10,449.92 centimeter cube. We know that 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 by 1000 liters. I am finding quantity in liters by dividing with 1000. So by dividing with 1000 we'll get 10.45 liters. Cost of milk per 1 liter is 20 rupees given. So in that container 10.45 liters are there. So total cost by multiplying with 20, 10.45 into 20 equals to 209 rupees. In this question, they are asked to find how much cost of the frustum to make this container. So to make this frustum, we need to find curved surface area of the frustum plus lower part of the circle. It is nothing but pi r square. So CS of the frustum is pi into capital R plus small r into L. So to find slant height, we are using formula square root of capital R minus small r square plus h square units. So I am substituting capital R value 20 and small r value 8 and h value 16. So 20 minus 8 whole square, 12 square, 144 plus 256, 400, square root of 400 is 20 centimeters slant height value. So how much metal area required is nothing but CSA of the frustum plus area of the bottom, because it is a closed, area of the bottom is closed. So I am substituting the values. Pi value 3.14, capital R value 20 plus 8, small r value 8 into L value 20 plus pi r square. So 3.14 pi value I am substituting, r small r value 8 square. So simplifying we'll get 1959.36 centimeter square. So to make that container we need metal sheet area is 1959.36 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square value is given 8 rupees. From that I am finding 1 centimeter square cost value is nothing but 8 by 100 rupees. So we need to find 1959.36 centimeter square cost. So multiplying with 8 by 100, So we'll get 156.74 rupees. So cost of milk already we found. So that value milk cost is 209 rupees. Thank you.